Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Adventures and Learning. I'm Corban, and that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be making a dart airplane. So stay tuned. Woo! First step is to fold paper in half and reopen it like this.
All right, let's go to the next step.
Next step.
All right, now Corban is going to pull the corners down to the center. Make sure you have your creases.
Done.
All right, now he's going to pull the top corners down and fold, and he'll show you.
Done.
Just like that.
Next step is to fold the plane in half. Like this. Done.
Now Corban's going to fold the flaps down to make the wings.
Like this.
Push it over and do the other side.
Now spread them out.
And now he's spread out the wings.
And woo! This is what your darts look like. Ooh. This is the part where this right here is the part where you hold it like this, and then you throw it. Let's test it out outside.